This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick, actionable tips. So let's get started with B for BugHerd. BugHerd is the #1 visual feedback tool for bug tracking. The solution is a visual bug tracking website feedback tool for agencies, developers, and product managers that improves communications. The solution works on any website, whether you have an e-commerce store on WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, WordPress, or any website at all. So let's start with integrations. Tip #1, you can see that it integrates with all popular tools, including Basecamp, GitHub, Slack, Trello, Webhooks, Zapier, Asana, and Jira. Tip #2, browser extensions. The solution can be either integrated with a short snippet of code in the website header, or you can use a browser extension, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari as the supported browsers. Tip #3, how BugHerd works. So you can see the BugHerd extension here. You click on any of the icons, hit the plus. It'll take the task that you assign and put it onto the board here. So let's say the image was too large. I just put that as a card here. We can see that it's now on the task board, which is tip #4. You can move your tasks along the task board and assign them to different stages. Tip #5, team collaboration. You can assign different members of your team. I've assigned myself, but you can invite other members to your team. Tip #6. So if we go back to our project, you can have multiple projects here. For any of the different items along your to-do list, you can assign tags. Assigning tabs is very easy. That would be tip #6. And a bonus tip #7, reporting and analytics. You can use BugHerd to track progress and identify and make data-driven decisions with FullStory as an integration. See exactly what your users are doing, where they're getting stuck, and how they're interacting with your site. Get a free demo of BugHerd by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/BugHerd. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal. Over the next 30 days, we plan to cover 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions.